asleep at the wheel, and he's gonna stay up late, but I'm gonna crash. I know how I feel. In 3 hours, I'm gonna wish I had more, 'cause I love my boyfriend, but he snores like a Mack truck, like a chainsaw, like a plane taking off in a free fall. And when he wakes up, he's an angel, but right now I could strangle him in his sleep. In his sleep. I've got one shot at sleep before he gets into bed, and I already failed. And I've been awake for so long now, it feels like my mind is in jail. But I would rather go to prison for murder than sit here awake, 'cause I know how he gets and I know how he sounds, and I know my fate. In 3 seconds, I'm gonna wish I had more, 'cause I love my boyfriend, but he snores like a Mack truck, like a chainsaw, like a plane taking off in a free fall. And when he wakes up, he's an angel, but right now I could strangle him in his sleep. In his sleep. In his sleep. In his sleep.